guys, we got a snowstorm. Yay! We got a snowstorm. So we're gonna go have fun in it, because down here in North Carolina, we never get this kind of snow. Look at this place. This is epic, totally epic. This is totally epic, dude. Guys, we're gonna just like go for a nice walk.
Oh God, man. This is crazy. This is actually crazy.
Can't really see it on the video, but it's up to my knees.
And it's not.
We're gonna do dumb shit, and
It's up to my thighs.
we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna do some dumb shit. So Noah's dead.
Oh God.
I just want to like low key just like jump into him right now.
No.
That'd be so funny.
Oh my
But
God.
instead of jumping into him, we're jumping in.
200?
I'm cooked.
You sure are,
I'm
Palio.
so screwed. Wait, I'm stuck. If I get up, I'm just gonna get even more wet. So that's the thing, guys. Who's literally just stupid enough to drive?
Me.
This is the middle of the. I'm literally standing in the middle of the road right now. I haven't seen this big of snow in a while, but we're gonna do a 60-yard dash. Let's go.
200?
Die! No.
200?
I'll try to scooter in the snow. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm slipping. Oh, that's such a save.
That's so tough.
Save. Can we get in the W in the chat by the huzz?
What hose? Broken bone sound effect.
Noah, please demonstrate what jumping into a 3-foot pile of snow looks like. Without a scooter, please.
Ready?
That was lame. That was lame. Noah, come here.
Yeah.
Please demonstrate what flying into a pile of snow looks like. Go back there, just run and just, fly into it. That'll be so tough. Someone clip this. Go, go, go. Someone spam RIP in the chat for my phone. It's kind of soaked right now. Oh yeah, look at this. Peak cinema, peak entertainment. Peak entertainment right here. Oh yeah, he's going back in his driveway. I think he admitted defeat. Yeah, he admitted defeat. Bro lost to the snow. Well, my phone's at 5%. Wait, look at this. Oh my God. Ready, watch this. I'm gonna ding. Oh my. Okay, why am I? Oh my God. Yeah, someone's dying today.
200?
Oh my God. Watch this D-Power Player X successfully doesn't make it out of a deadly snow pile. Let's go.
And futuristic power and. Okay, guys.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh fuck. I'm
200?
back in a pile of snow. Thanks for watching, guys. W video. My phone's cooked, so say RIP to phone. See you guys later. I just wanted to do that for no reason.